Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately by confirming bristle type and removing loose paint. This determines solvent choice. Put on gloves, scrape off excess with a putty knife, then mix warm water and mild detergent for water-based paint. Once done, submerge bristles tip first in the cleaning solution for 10-20 minutes to loosen dried paint. For oil-based paint, substitute a suitable solvent, mineral spirits or brush cleaner, and work in a well-ventilated area. Make sure to support the ferrule so bristles stay submerged but not bent. You now focus on extracting paint trapped at the ferrule. Once soaked, press the bristles against the jar bottom and flex them to force out softened paint. Make sure to comb through in short strokes from the ferrule toward the tip. This preserves shape while removing debris. For stubborn bits, repeat soaking with fresh solution, then alternate solvent and warm soapy water to finish. Once the rinse runs clear, spin the brush by hand to expel remaining liquid and inspect for residual paint under magnification or bright light. You complete the repair by reshaping the bristles while damp. Squeeze out extra water, align tips with a paper towel, and roll gently between your fingers to form the original profile. Once done, let the brush dry bristle down or flat, never upright, to prevent water in the ferrule. If bristles stay stiff, make sure to repeat the soak with a stronger cleaner or a commercial brush restorer. If individual hairs are permanently damaged, you may need to trim ragged tips slightly. One tip: test on scrap before reuse.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.